To transfer crypto from Revolut to a cold wallet, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Revolut account and a cold wallet, such as a ledger or trezor. It is essential to understand that Revolut is a financial app that allows you to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies, while a cold wallet is a secure offline storage solution for your digital assets. Begin by opening your Revolut app and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Select the type of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the Sell or Transfer option and choose the Transfer to External Wallet option. You will be prompted to enter the recipient wallet address, which is the address of your cold wallet. To find your cold wallet address, open your cold wallet device and navigate to the Receive section. Select the type of cryptocurrency you want to receive and the device will generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address and paste it into the Revolut app. Before initiating the transfer, double-check that the wallet address is correct, as transactions are irreversible. Also, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Revolut account to cover the transfer amount and any associated fees. Once you have confirmed the details, initiate the transfer. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take some time to complete. Depending on the network congestion and the fee you paid, you can track the status of the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. After the transaction is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be transferred to your cold wallet. It is essential to keep your cold wallet safe and secure, as it stores your private keys and provides access to your digital assets. Always keep your cold wallet offline and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Revolut to a cold wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and a basic understanding of cryptocurrency transactions. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely store your digital assets in a cold wallet and protect them from potential security risks.